Hi there, Celina here with EXP Realty, and I'm here to give you another market update. This is for the month of October 2019, and we are at 2.2 months of supply for homes. What does that mean? It means that if no new houses come into the market, we'll be out of houses to sell in about 2 months. Just to put things in perspective, 3 months of supply, that's a seller's market. Anything above 3 months is considered a buyer's market, and anything below 3 months is considered a hot seller's market, and that's where we are right now. So the market has gone up definitely since last year to this year. And just to put things in perspective, because we hear a lot of negative news in the media, they are talking about the recession, they're talking about the coming elections, they're talking about all these things that's going to happen to housing, that most likely housing is going to suffer and prices are going to come down. Of course, prices go up and down, and the market is cyclical, especially the real estate market is cyclical. But just to put things in perspective, out of the last 20 years, the market has appreciated 4.3% each year. So if you take the last 20 years, take the Great Recession, the mortgage and real estate meltdown, the ups and downs of the economy of the last 20 years, everything that happened in the last 20 years. If you take all that into consideration, houses still appreciated 4.3% each year out of the last 20 years, because real estate is an investment for the long term. So that's how, if you are somebody who's going to live in that house or who's going to hold that house for the long term, that's where you're going to see your gains. So if you're somebody who's just speculating or who just wants to get rid of the house really quickly and you didn't buy right at the beginning, meaning at the right price, then most likely you're not going to make a lot of profit. But for the long run and in the long term, real estate, it's a great investment. And here in the Phoenix Metro, we've gone up in value 6% on average. And right now, the price that is really, really hot right now is the price range of $200,000 to $250,000. And I've said this before, that's the frenzy zone. That's when, if you put a good house out there that is listed for that price range, is going to sell really fast, and most likely you're going to get multiple offers. And there's a lot of buyers out there. There's more buyers out there than houses at that price point. But what I wanted to get at, and if you are a buyer who's waiting for prices to come down, is that it's predicted that houses are going to appreciate another 5% next year, right? So October of next year, meaning that that house that is worth $250,000 right now is going to be worth $262,000, $263,000. So if you want to wait, you can wait, but just know that you're going to pay a little bit more, most likely around 5% more than a year before. So that's what I wanted to give you. The market is hot right now. The frenzy price is $250,000 and less. Anything less than that is going to sell really quickly if the house is in good condition. And the prices are hot all around up until the $500,000 mark. And that's when things start mellowing down a little bit. And then it goes up again in the $1 million point. So that's the market update for you for the month of October. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.